170, bro? Yeah, it is a demon. I got nice. See ya, man. Oh, that's a unique supercharger on there. It's a Whipple. It's a Whipple? Nice. I like that setup. Like, it looks nice.
The big Whipples look so good.
Yeah. It is a good setup.
Yeah, they do look nice. Tires on the back here.
Now that's proper Widebody.
Yeah, a lot of work there.
Oh, can you imagine? It's a gift.
Yeah.
Jacking over the stand with my drill polish and I'll run it.
What year is that baby?
21.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Thanks.
Any work done to it?
It's very factory.
Very factory? Are you keeping it that way just for value kind of thing?
100%.
100%? Yeah.
Reliable that way too.
Yeah. Yeah. Do a burnout!
Yeah.
You just got that thing?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Nice.
Yeah.
So like how many kilometers? Like 0 technically?
1,800.
1,800? That's it. So it's not even broken in yet.
No. That's why I'm playing around with it right now.
Like, I think it unlocks at a certain kilometers, right?
Yeah, I don't know what it is right now.
Yeah.
But I've just been playing around up and down.
Yeah.
Black key, red key, up to one whatever.
What you do with the black key, you just throw it out the window? That's what you got to do.
Well, I've only had the black key on a couple of times. Most of the time it's the red key.
Yeah.
But, you know, I sit there and play around with the speeds and everything else depending on where I am.
Yeah. This, like putting
Did that this winter.
Did you? Yeah.
I was the first one to get this kit out of Russia.
Where's Da Vinci?
How was this? Like putting
Did that this winter.
Did you? Yeah.
I was the first one to get this kit out of Russia.
Yeah.
It's actually a sponsorship.
Now those rims, did they come with that also? Or you put some like spacers on that?
No, they're just on there.
Really?
13 inches wide in the rear and 12 in the front.
Oh.
Stuck with me for life now.
I love the rims. The rims are amazing.
Oh, thanks. Custom order from BC Forge.
Just the dish on them, man.
Yeah.
They're clean.
Oh, 325.
325 in there.
It's a 22 by 13.
What kind of system is in there?
It's airlift.
Is an airlift? Yeah. It's an 09?
Oh
yeah.
Timeless.
How much work would you say you put into this, like, money-wise?
I don't even know. Like, I don't keep track.
No, you just keep building
It's
it?
been over 10 years. I bought it in 2012.
2012? Yeah, okay.
It was my daily for 4 years.
Yeah.
And just started modding it.
It sounds like quite the journey. Like that.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about the doors? Like, I've never seen those kind of doors before.
I did those 2 winters ago.
Okay.
So it's like full custom, right? Like
Full custom.
yeah, it's not like Lambo doors.
You can't order it. Right?
No. It's like
Okay.
the Lambo doors you buy a kit, right?
Yeah.
You just slap them on your doors over.
Yeah, the doors. See, right? It actually works.
Like I took it to the racetrack a few months ago,
Yeah.
and I did 12.4 on a quarter mile.
Oh, it's not bad.
That's my best one, but online they say you can do 12.1, but the problem is I'm not doing a burnout,
Yeah.
and so it's not gripping on the launch.
Yeah.
So I keep skipping, and that's where I'm losing the second one. But if I got better tires like Nidos,
For Mopars, it's all about tires. We have so much fucking torque. Like even the Hellcat guys have trouble leaving a lot. Oh.
yeah, you have to get like Nidos or plain slicks.
Slicks,
You
yeah,
gotta get
yeah.
like actual slicks
Yeah.
and do a burnout on a quarter mile. My dad's like, you wanna race
Oh,
me? I'm
you
like,
got the,
I only know you're gonna win, so why?
He's got the holes too, eh? He's got the holes!
The only thing I don't like and I miss on this car is the fog lights. I like the fog lights, to be honest.
Yeah. Just in case you need to go into the swamp.
Well, no, I just like the look of it, not the function.
No, I know.
The problem
Yeah.
is they don't put fog lights for wide bodies in at all.
Yo, where'd you get that wrap done, dog?
I got the wrap from Germany.
Germany?
Yeah, I got the wrap from Germany.
That's crazy.
And I got the fucking thing done in BC. I was driving all the way to BC.
Yeah.
I got it done, then I drove all the way back from BC with the wrap.
Oh, okay. That's crazy.
That's nice. I'm just waiting for the nighttime.
Yeah.
Nighttime, I'll show you all the. I have so many videos of it.
That's crazy.
That's gonna be
That's crazy. From Germany.
yeah, from Germany.
Fuck, I love it, man.
It's like one of a kind.
Yeah.
He took the resonators off this thing, so when you hear this thing, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.